Here is another interview question. Interviewer says find the top selling product each month, not overall, each month separately. And suddenly people who only know simple group by start struggling because this question is not just aggregation, it's aggregation plus ranking inside groups. So let's break it down step by step. First, let's look at the table. We have a table called sales. Columns are order ID, product ID, order date and quantity. And the data looks like this. Now the requirement says for each month return the product that sold the highest total quantity. So there are two things we need to do. First, calculate total sales per product per month. Then find the product with the highest sales inside that month. So it's basically a two-step problem. Let's start with step 1. We calculate monthly totals like this. Select format, order date, and the format is year and month as sales month, then product ID, then sum quantity as total quantity from sales, and group by format, order date, format is year and month, then product ID. Now when we run this, we get total quantity sold by each product in each month. So now we clearly see monthly totals. That's the first step done. Now the interviewer wants the top product per month. So we need to rank products inside each month. For that we use a window function. And the query is select star from, then select format, order date, and the format is year and month as sales month, then product ID, then sum quantity as total quantity. Then we can use rank over partition by format, order date, order by sum quantity descending as RNK from sales, then group by format, order date and product ID as T where RNK equal to 1. Now when I run this, each month gets its own ranking and we keep only the rows where rank equals 1. We only get the highest selling product for each month. Exactly what the question asked. Now interviewer might ask a follow-up. What happens if two products have the same highest sale? With rank, both products will appear because they share the same rank. But sometimes the requirement is different. Maybe we want only one product no matter what. In that case, we can use row number instead. That forces a single row. One more practical detail. In this query, we used format to extract the month, but format can hurt performance because it prevents SQL from using index properly. A more efficient way is using year and month function. For example, select year order date as sales year, month order date as sales month, then product ID, then sum quantity as total quantity from sales, group by year order date, month order date and product ID. That approach usually performs better. Also, if the table is large, an index on order date and product ID can help. So remember this pattern. Whenever a question says top something per group, then think like this. Step 1, aggregate the data. Step 2, rank inside each group. That's combination solved many interview problems.